I'm back. Seems like every time I'm recording, I got the Scat pack shirt on. I promise y'all I took a shower though. I promise. Today, what we gonna do, it's a gloomy day out here. Today what we gonna do a sound comparison. I got the Muffler delete. And it's been a few months, so I already did it before. I'm gonna do it before, after, and then try to get some sound clips while I'm driving. Tell me what y'all think. Alright, I'm back. Like I said, I got the sound clip of the stock exhaust on the Scat. Then I did a clip of after the muffler delete. So y'all gonna see that. So the way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna have one clip. I'm gonna do the before. I'm gonna do the after. And then y'all gonna be at this part. So y'all should already seen that. Now this just, I had it for a few months now. This just cruising around. So you can see how it sound. The windows up right now. I might put the windows down just so y'all can hear it a little bit. But you should be able to hear it with the windows up though. Radio off. I got the air on a little bit. You know, I'm a big dude. I be getting hot quick, man. I be at work. They be like, you hot? I'm like, hell yeah. I be sweating, man. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna do a little cruising. I'm about to go to my folks' house for a minute. But y'all can hear how it sound. I'm gonna try to get a few good pulls. This is a little wet outside, but we gonna see how it go. Did a pretty good pull considering the weather, with the window down on the passenger side, window down. Now I'm gonna try to get one with the window up, and let me know what y'all think about that. Just compare and contrast, window up, window down, and you can really get to see how it really sounds.